In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search a task in Ticktick. Whether you're a longtime user or new to the platform, knowing how to efficiently find your tasks is vital for effective task management. Let's get started. When you first open Ticktick in your web browser, you'll find yourself on the main page, which shows all your task lists like Inbox, Today, and others. At this point, you should notice a prominent search bar right at the top of your screen. It's designed to be easy to spot and quick to use. This search bar is your gateway to finding any task within the crowded space of your lists. Now, while using your mouse to click on the search bar is straightforward, there is an even quicker method. This faster alternative involves a handy keyboard shortcut. Simply press the / key on your keyboard, and this nifty shortcut will instantaneously direct your cursor into the search bar. This technique is perfect for keeping your hands on the keyboard and maintaining your workflow efficiency. No matter which list you're actively viewing, whether it's your inbox, today's priorities, or any other list, this shortcut works seamlessly to help you locate the search bar without any delay. Once you're in the search bar, you're ready to begin typing your query. Perhaps you're searching for a specific task whose details you partially remember. You can start by entering keywords from the task's title. Even if you only recall fragments or certain phrases, the search feature in Ticktick is robust enough to handle it. Just type in whatever you remember, and it will start filtering the results to match your input. If you're in need of finding more detailed information, such as what's specifically written in the task description or notes, you can input keywords or phrases from those sections too. This level of detail can be extremely useful if you've documented extensive notes within your tasks. Another aspect to consider is the subtasks. If your main task has several subtasks and you remember phrases or keywords from any of these, you can search for them directly. The search tool isn't restricted to the primary task title alone. It dives deeper into the hierarchies of your task listings. In addition, if you happen to use checklist items within your tasks, rest assured that the search function covers these too. Whether it's a single line in a checklist or an entire list, you can use the same search mechanics to pinpoint the specific checklist items. Let's not forget about comments. If you've utilized the comments section to add context, or additional collaborators have provided input, searching through comments is possible as well. This feature ensures that any collaboration or additional details aren't overlooked. And there you go. That's how you can effectively search for tasks in Ticktick using a combination of the search bar, keyboard shortcuts, and specific keywords. Mastering this will undoubtedly streamline your task management process, saving you valuable time and effort. Thank you for watching, and happy task searching in Ticktick.